Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Hey guys, Storm Team meteorologist Charlie Goldstein here. Hope you had a great Sunday. Temperatures as you wake up tomorrow morning to start the week will be relatively comfortable. Definitely a few degrees warmer than we had waking up this morning. So temperatures in the mid-60s for most of us, a few of us in the upper 60s. So comfortable for a little bit tomorrow morning before we get into the 80s around lunchtime. Into the afternoon, a brief chance of a light shower or two out there, and temperatures in the upper 80s. Another very hot day on the way for us. 88 in Birmingham and Alabaster, 89 Jasper, and 90 in Tuscaloosa, Moundville, and Brent. So another day with temperatures well above average. Should still be relatively enjoyable, though. Let's check in on the tropics. Here's Hurricane Umberto. Still a very powerful Category 4 storm. It will maintain intensity all the way up until it curves around Bermuda. It's going to bring some impacts over there. Luckily for us, nothing really to speak on. Now, Imelda's track has shifted more even since last night. It's not even going to get as close to the U.S. as we thought, and that could have some major impacts on our rain chances. It doesn't look like it's going to sling much in the way of energy or really moisture our way. It'll still push a nice plume of moisture, enough to result in some showers. So Monday morning, we're dry, just a few clouds out there. Into the afternoon, though, we can see a couple sprinkles out on the radar. Not expecting really any accumulations really at all from these showers, just really quick hit and miss showers into the afternoon. Towards dinner time, that activity will start to settle, and just left with a few clouds for us overnight Monday night. That's going to really be about it for our rain chances for the week, just like that each and every day until Friday. Wednesday, maybe a slightly higher chance of that activity, but not expecting any sort of drought-busting rainfall out of that. The good news is, as Imelda starts to push away from the coast, it'll start to push in some drier air into our area. It actually looks like we might have a backwards moving front that'll drop dew points from the mid-60s for the first half of the week down into the middle 50s, so much more comfortable. Weather is on the way for us. Again, it's not the fall weather we all want. It's not quite sweater weather, but it will be more comfortable as we get into the end of the week with temperatures in the lower 80s, not before a very warm start to the week with some very spotty rain chances in the forecast for us. Looking ahead to next week, it looks like we might get another system that could push in a little bit more rain. It's still a little far out to put much stock into, but that's what we're looking out for the week ahead.